guys, it's about 9:30 in the morning. As you remember on my last video, we hayed all this. We cut it down with the cheapest hay buying on Facebook Marketplace. And here we are. I got a new toy. This is the cheapest hay rake, and it was so cheap it was not even on Marketplace. Don't tell me this is out of oil already. Oh, there we go. This is nice and oily. So this is so cheap, I didn't even pay for it. This was, I traded a chainsaw for this. I had an old non-running Husqvarna 576 professional grade saw, and I tried it out. I did one pass with the hay rake, and it works. It does work. So I figure I'll give it the benefit of the doubt that it's going to work for me and oil it up. And then put it to use later this afternoon. It's about 9:30 right now. I'm going to wait for the dew to burn off, dry off, and then I'm going to rake this. This oil can is awesome. I had my doubts about purchasing it because it was so expensive, but definitely worth it. We'll just grease this thing up quick and put it to work later this afternoon once the dew dries. I think Timber's excited for another episode. Oh, surprisingly, that's taking grease. I'm not sure if this one will fit in there. Nope. Don't think it can go accept grease. That one takes grease. I think there's grease fittings on this. There should be. It's like ball joints, pretty much. Well, they're supposed to have grease fittings on the end, but they all broke off. That one's got some. So there's way more hay here than I originally anticipated, which is, I guess, is a good thing as long as I can get it baled. So this came with this triangle. It's a plastic triangle, but it's even got the bracket on it. And I have the other side of the bracket, so I'll get a piece of angle iron here and bolt it down so then I can put that bracket on there. And then this bar here, there's 3 holes, like adjustment holes here. I'll probably just put it in the middle one. Put that there. And I think this is used like a track bar on the front end of a solid front axle truck. So I'll bolt that in there. Focusing on this grease fitting and not my feet. Okay, that's taking grease too. And then you see with this finger or whatnot, that's one of those tine followers or whatever they're called. I'm waiting for grease to come out. So far 7 pumps, 8 pumps, 9 pumps. Man, this thing is dry. I'm gonna have half a tube of grease in this. Timber, what do I do? Ah, there we go. It's finally getting grease to come out. About time. And I would imagine that there would be grease fittings on these hubs. Now it's coming out. I don't think this rake was very well taken care of, but for a non-running chainsaw, I don't think it's a bad deal. This just leads to an example that you can, in fact, start from scratch making hay with very little money. So this did not come with a jack either, and between the three of us trying to pick this thing up, it was heavy last night. But I got home with this last night, probably about 9 o'clock, 8:30, somewhere on there. Well, right on the last fitting, I'm out of grease. So that's a wrap on that. So I'm missing one here. I got this one, but it's loose. I'm missing one here. I got that one, this one's bent, and that one's missing. And these clips look like they're a little worse for wear. So I'm thinking about just getting new clips for it. Let me know in the comment section. Let me know whether or not I should get new clips and new teeth, just new teeth, or if I should just run it the way it is, missing a bunch of teeth. I've never done hay before, so this is a learning experience. And this year's hay is just for trial and error. And next year is when I'm actually going to be doing the hay. I just raked everything on the first pass, I guess, because it's probably going to need to be raked a couple times, being how wet this is. A couple thick spots. I'm just going to spread out a little bit better. And then maybe about 6 o'clock tonight, I'll rake it again, so then it'll dry out tomorrow while I'm at work. Just parked the rake, getting ready to bale this up. You'll see that next week. I'm actually going to bale this up, and hopefully we're going to get for the best. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and check me out next week.